Imagine this. You're gearing up for a summer barbecue, but your fridge's ice maker is too slow, and store-bought ice bags are melting before you can use them. Frustrating, right? This Zvoutte portable countertop ice maker machine saves the day, producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 8 minutes and up to 26 pounds daily. With its self-cleaning feature, intelligent sensor system, and sleek black design, this portable ice maker is perfect for homes, offices, camping, or bars. Let's explore why the Zvoutte Countertop Ice Maker is a must-have for chilling drinks in 2025. Solving ice-making woes. Running out of ice or dealing with noisy, bulky machines can derail any gathering. The Zvoutte Countertop Ice Maker tackles these issues head-on. No ice shortages. Produces 26 pounds of ice daily, ensuring you never run out, even during large parties or hot days. No store runs. Forget expensive ice bags. Get fresh bullet ice in 8 minutes. Ideal for drinks or food cooling. No messy maintenance. The self-cleaning function eliminates scrubbing, keeping ice fresh with minimal effort to no noise disturbance. Operates at less than 42 dB, perfect for quiet settings like bedrooms or offices. This countertop ice machine delivers speed, convenience, and quiet performance, making warm drinks a distant memory. Let's dive into its standout features. Key features that set Zvoutte apart. The Zvoutte Countertop Ice Maker is engineered for efficiency and ease. Here's what makes it shine. Fast ice production. Makes 9 bullet ice cubes in 8 minutes, up to 26 pounds per day, perfect for cocktails, iced coffee, or food preservation. Intelligent sensor system. Features a transparent lid and sensors that stop production when the basket is full or water is low, preventing overflow and ensuring safe operation. Self-cleaning function. Press the on/off button for 5 seconds to activate a cleaning cycle, keeping the machine hygienic without manual effort. Portable. Design. At 12.4 by 9.05 by 12.99 inches and 14.8 pounds. With a handle, it's easy to carry for camping, RV trips, or office use. Low noise operation. Runs at less than 42 dB, quieter than a refrigerator, ideal for homes, offices, or quiet cafes. Smooth bullet ice. Produces non-sticky bullet ice cubes, perfect for drinks or chewing, with an included ice scoop and basket for easy handling. Sleek black finish. Modern and stylish, it blends into any kitchen, bar, or office, backed by a 12-month warranty. User-friendly controls. A simple touch panel with one-button operation makes ice-making effortless, even for beginners. These features make the Zvoutte a top-tier portable ice maker for any setting. Top benefits of the Zvoutte Ice Maker. Why choose the Zvoutte over other ice makers? Here are 3 key benefits. Lightning-fast ice. 8-minute cycles and 26 pounds per day output ensure fresh ice for parties, camping, or daily use. No waiting required. Hassle-free maintenance. The self-cleaning function and intelligent sensors keep the machine clean and operational with minimal effort. Portable and quiet. Its compact, lightweight design and low-noise operation make it ideal for small spaces, travel, or quiet environments. These benefits make the Zvoutte a standout for ice lovers seeking convenience and quality. Who's the ideal user? The Zvoutte Countertop Ice Maker caters to a variety of lifestyles. Party hosts. Keep drinks chilled for barbecues, birthdays, or game nights with a steady supply of bullet ice. Campers and RV enthusiasts. Its portable design and handle make it perfect for outdoor adventures, ensuring ice on the go. Office workers. Stock break rooms with fresh ice for coffee or water, with quiet operation that won't disrupt work. Small kitchen owners. The compact size fits. Apartments or dorms, blending seamlessly into tight spaces. Home bar aficionados. Craft perfect cocktails or iced drinks with smooth bullet ice that enhances flavors. This machine delivers ice wherever you need it, effortlessly. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I tested the Zvoutte Countertop Ice Maker during a family picnic, an office break, and a quiet evening at home, and it performed flawlessly. Setup was simple. Fill the 1.2L water tank, press the power button, and in 8 minutes, I had 9 bullet ice cubes for my lemonade. The smooth, non-sticky ice was perfect for drinks and even chewing as a snack. The self-cleaning feature was a highlight. After a long day, I pressed the button for 5 seconds, and the machine was clean in minutes. The transparent lid let me monitor ice levels, and the sensors stopped production when the basket was full, preventing spills. At less than 42 dB, it was quieter than my fridge, making it ideal for late-night use. The black finish looked sleek, and the handle made it easy to move for outdoor events. Point one note: like most countertop models, it doesn't store ice long-term, so unused ice melts back into the reservoir. Transferring extras to a freezer bag solved this, and the continuous cycle kept ice flowing. Some users report cloudy ice, but I found it clear and crisp, perfect for drinks. How Zvoutte compares. Compared to models like Uhumi or Silin, the Zvoutte matches their 26 pounds per day output, but stands out with its low-noise design. Less than 42 dB versus 45 dB for some rivals. Its 8-minute cycle is competitive, though some models claim 6 minutes. The self-cleaning function and intelligent sensors are on par with top brands. But the compact 14.8 lb design gives it an edge for portability. Customer reviews praise its speed and quiet operation, though some note unclear water fill lines, which I found manageable. The 12-month warranty adds reliability. Is the Zvoutte Ice Maker worth it? The Zvoutte Portable Countertop Ice Maker is a compact, efficient solution for anyone tired of ice shortages or noisy appliances. With 8-minute ice cycles, a self-cleaning function, and a quiet, portable design, it's perfect for homes, offices, camping, or bars. The intelligent sensor system and sleek black finish add convenience and style. Whether you're hosting a party or chilling solo, this machine delivers. Don't let warm drinks ruin your next event. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.